it's like Christmas. Okay. Sticker. Shoes. Double check. Nice. Okay, here's this thing. That's nice. It's got double laces in there. So it comes with one lace and a whole nother set of laces. Interesting. Okay, so there's one get. Get. That feels fun to say. And then here's the other DVS Getz. Nice. Check them out. Thing I was wondering about. So it's got that little stringy thing in there, which it does. Kind of deep in there. Well, let's get them on my feet. At least it has the stretchy rubber band stuff to keep my soles down. I am a fan still. It says size 12. Check. Okay, here goes. They look kind of laced up really tight. So let me unlace them a little bit. So what's cool about these, they come with 2 different laces. I was not expecting that. More laces equals more fun. Just kidding. It equals more options. Customize. I like the red, kind of maroon looking color with the gold. Very 90s, early 2000s colors. Let's check them out. These have to be the skinniest DVS I own. That's what they look like. They feel good though.